your safety, please remain seated during the ride and refrain from sitting or leaning on the doors and windows. Smoking is prohibited. Thank you and enjoy your ride. The Kissing Tower stands 330 feet high from its base to the flagpole. Today, our tower will climb 250 feet into the air, making 3 rotations during the ride. Take in the views of Hershey, Pennsylvania, and listen to the story of how it came to be. Our founder, Milton S. Hershey, opened his chocolate factory in the middle of Dairy Township in 1905. He chose this location due to the convenient access to fresh milk from local farms. Today, his factory town is known as Hershey, the sweetest place on earth. With Milton Hershey's support, houses, businesses, and entertainment came into existence, creating the town we know today.
That doesn't look fine.
I'll do that.
Oh, I'm not doing that match.
Including 15 coasters.
We're going down.
Newest candy-themed attraction, Twizzlers Twisted Gravity. Ascend 137 adrenaline-pumping feet, defy gravity as you swing at speeds reaching 68 miles per hour, and experience multiple mind-bending zero-G moments on the tallest screen and swing in the world. Below us, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round, 11-acre walk-through zoo home to more than 200 animals from 5 regions of North America. The zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift. Entry is included in your one-price admission. When you enter through the bridge, connecting Hersheypark and Zoo America. Beyond the park is Hershey Gardens, home to the Milton and Catherine Hershey Conservatory. Visit today and follow along with hundreds of tropical butterflies and the butterfly trees. You will also notice some of the signature Hershey icons, including the Hershey smokestacks, the Hershey cocoa bushes, located at the site of the original chocolate factory, and Hershey's Kisses-shaped streetlights throughout the town of Hershey. Across the street is the historic Hershey Theater. The theater was a part of Mr. Hershey's Great Building campaign to provide jobs during the Great Depression. He commissioned the construction of several grand structures, including Hersheypark Arena, Hersheypark Stadium, and the Hotel Hershey. Next to the Hotel Hershey is Akron Hall, part of the Milton Hershey School. Hershey Entertainment and Resorts and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the dream of our mutual founder, Milton S. Hershey, by providing value to Milton Hershey School, the largest private school in the world, as it continues to provide opportunities for children in need. We hope you've enjoyed your elevated tour of Hershey. Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop, and then follow the instructions to exit the cabin. Thank you for riding the Kissing Tower. We hope you enjoy your time at Hersheypark.
I thought this was going to take longer. Nowhere. Goodbye.